Good morning, students. Today we are going to teach lesson number 11, Transport and Communications. I know all of you are familiar this transport and communications. Today, in this era, in this computer era or modern age, okay, these two things, transport and communications, play a very important role. So today we will teach lesson transport and communications, page number C82. Dear students, okay, there are some questions. Okay, means from if you want to go one place to another place, okay, you realize that we want any type of vehicles. Means without vehicles we can't reach to our destinations. So if you have to reach Bhopal from Nagpur due to some emergency, okay, we will reach there easily by transport. So dear students, we must have realized that while traveling or transporting goods, you have to consider many things. If there are many ways and means of transport available, then we can think about those alternatives. So means if you want to go okay one place to another place, or if you want to send any type of products or goods, okay, there are different type of or many vehicles or many alternatives are available in market transport. So there are roadways, railways, waterways, airways and pipelines by which transportation can be done. Means these are the okay means of transport: roadway, railway, okay, waterway, airway, pipeline. Okay, by this means of transport we can send any type of okay goods or vehicles sent easily from one place to another place. So dear students, tell me one thing: this transport play a very important role to increase our Indian economy. Tell me how? Because if any company or industry area, okay, produce they produce their commodities or product, but due to the lack of transport, roadways, railways or waterways, we can't send that commodities to one place to another place. Means in this way you can say that this transport play a very important role. So dear student, means now which factors are very responsible for the transport? Means following factors should be kept in your mind while selecting the route and means of transport. Okay, means factor to be considered for transportations, means which factors are very responsible for transportations. For example, okay, see there: distance, duration, cost, time, product, climate, market, route and means, physiography. Okay, all these factors are very responsible, okay, for the transport. For example, if the distance is very you can say very long, and okay, distance is very long and the road is very rough, means that route will be mountaineer or you can say hilly area. So for such a situations you can't reach on times, it will take a long times. So okay, all these things, physiography, route and means, market, climate, product, okay, all these things are very responsible for the transport. मीन्स बच्चों कि वो रास्ता कैसा है, वहाँ का क्लाइमेट कैसा है, ओके, वो प्रोडक्ट हेवी है या लाइट है, ओके, उसके ऊपर जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है, ओके, उसका रूट कैसा है, ओके, उसका ड्यूरेशन कितना लगता है, उसको टाइम, ओके, ये सब बातें उसके ऊपर डिपेंड है. इफ वी कंसिडर द अबव मेंशन फैक्टर, देन आवर टाइम एंड मनी सेव ड्यूरिंग द जर्नी और ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो मीन्स इफ वी फॉलो ऑल दिस अबव फैक्टर्स, जो हमने फैक्टर्स देखे हैं, which factor? Product, climate, market, okay, route and means, geography, distance, durations, cost, times, okay, by following these factors we can save our time as well as our money during the journey. Traveling become comfortable, transport is done without any damage to goods, and due to these factors our journey will become comfortable, easier, okay, for us. And that is why I am telling you, transport is done without any damage to goods. Okay, so in older age this transport system was not available in the world. Okay, that times our forefathers, our ancestors, okay, they were using their bullock carts or different type of means uh, old vehicles. Okay, that's why that time our Indian economy was very weak. Okay, they were living olden age. But nowadays, due to this all these transport systems, all these factors, okay, we can save our times, we can save our money. Means one can reach within 1 hour. Okay, just like Nagpur, okay, or from Nagpur to Mumbai, okay, from Bombay to Delhi, means any place you can, okay, reach there easily by airlines. So dear students, the selling price to be paid by the consumer is not decided by the cost of production only, it is decided by transport cost and the production cost. So if any industries or company, okay, they produce one things or one product, so they add their transport cost and product cost. बेटा समझ रहे हो आप कि जो भी कंपनी हो, के कंपनी से जो भी प्रोडक्ट बनता है उसमें तुम्हारा जो ट्रांसपोर्ट का जो कॉस्ट है, उसकी प्राइस है, वो ऐड होती है. ओके, और जब when we purchase that things, okay, the transport cost is added there. So the transport of freight should be done rapidly and safely. The price of the good can be kept low if the transportation is affordable. So to affordable that transportation, okay, we use different type of transport systems, waterways, roadways, airways, okay, and that's why due to this all this facility, okay, all this means of transport, our transport system has become affordable for us, and it is increasing rapidly day by day. And due to the transport systems, okay, we increase our economy, okay, as well as we are going means we progress our life. So dear students, in this way, okay, we just today we saw the introductions of these lessons. Okay, next video we will see next portion. Thank you.